Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your TikTok video private. So let's just open the TikTok application right here. And as you can see, I'm on the home page and I want to go to my profile. Just go to the bottom right corner, just press me. And here's my page, and I want to make one of my videos private. I'm just going to press on one of my videos, this one, and as you can see on the right side, there's my profile picture, the like button, the comment button, and these three dots, and I'm going to press on those three dots right here. And then I'm just going to move the bottom part of this pop-up page, and I'm just going to press on the privacy settings, which has a lock icon. Just going to press on that, and I'm going to press on the who can watch this video, everyone, and I'm going to press the only me, so I'm the only one who can watch that video. And you can just press on the X button over here, and if I just go back to my home page, just click on the left corner, the top left corner over here, the video is no longer visible to the public. And if you want to view that video, you can click on the lock button. As you can see, there are three buttons. There's the page button, the like button, and the lock button. So I'm just going to press on the lock button over here, and the video is right here. And I can choose whether or not I want this video to be public again. So I can just press on those three buttons and go back to privacy settings, who can watch this video, and I can choose everyone again. Close that, go back, and now the video is up on my page again. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.